Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. Today, we're doing the classical Pilates swimming exercise. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be going over 2 variations today, and I also upload at least twice a week. Lay on your belly, brace your abs way around your spine. Make sure your tailbone stays pointing down. You'll raise your arms and legs up, and then the opposite arm and the leg start raising up as you inhale and exhale. After a few rounds of that, you'll sit back and take a lovely child pose. Here it is again. Try to keep those hips still, breathing in and breathing out. Now, this is a great exercise to work on spinal extension, but if you're just beginning, it may feel awkward. Here are some modifications. You would start laying on your belly really slowly. You'll just raise one leg and the opposite arm at a time before switching. So unlike the full version where everything's up in the air, you just start really slowly and one at a time. This is Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile as you get fit, toned, and flexible. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment so I know what it is you want to see next. I upload at least twice a week, and I can't wait to see you again.